Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallows without corn syrup. Making homemade marshmallows is a delightful process, and it all starts with the right ingredients. You'll need unflavored gelatin, granulated sugar, and water. Also, prepare your stand mixer with a whisk attachment. Don't forget to lightly grease a 9x13-inch baking pan and dust it generously with powdered sugar for easy removal later. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful marshmallow making experience. Next, we'll create the crucial sugar syrup. First, bloom 4 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin in 1/2 cup of cold water in your mixer bowl. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, in a saucepan, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar with 3/4 cup of water. Bring this mixture to a boil over medium-high heat, stirring until the sugar dissolves. Continue cooking without stirring until it reaches exactly 240 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer. Now for the magic. With your stand mixer running on low speed, carefully and slowly pour the hot sugar syrup into the bloomed gelatin mixture. Once combined, increase the speed to high. Whip the mixture for about 10 to 15 minutes. You'll see it transform into a thick, glossy, and incredibly fluffy white marshmallow batter. It should hold stiff peaks and be warm, but not hot, to the touch when ready. Once whipped, immediately pour the warm marshmallow mixture into your prepared 9x13-inch pan. Use an offset spatula, dusted with powdered sugar, to spread it evenly. Let the marshmallows set at room temperature for a minimum of 4 hours, or preferably overnight. When firm, invert them onto a cutting board dusted with more powdered sugar. Dust your knife and cut them into 1-inch squares, then toss in powdered sugar to prevent sticking. Enjoy your homemade, corn syrup-free treats.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.